Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. In this video, we are going to discuss about if you are planning to shifting of the office of LLP from one state to another state, how to plan this kind of shifting of registered office of LLP and what are the provisions we have to comply before doing that, and what is the process involved and regulatory provisions about the conversion of the for shifting of the registered office of the LLP. So first of all, we have to understand what are the provisions and rules made there under are regulating the regulating the process of shifting of LLP office from one state to another state, right? So first of all, section 13 subsection 3 of the LLP Act 2008 read with rule 17 of LLP rules 2009 regulates the provisions of shifting of registered office of LLP from one state to another state. Procedure for change registered office within same state and jurisdiction. Hold the partners meeting. First of all, the first step to change the registered office is to hold a meeting of the designated partners, including partners as may be specified in LLP agreement, to pass resolution for shifting of registered office and obtain the consent from all. In second step, consent of all secured creditor. The designated partner or partner shall prepare and finalize the list of secured creditor and a specified date. Then consent from such creditor shall be obtained for shifting of registered office from one state to another state. In third step, publish notice in newspaper where the change in place of registered office from one state to another state. The LLP shall publish a general notice which is not older than 21 days before filing on any notice with the registrar in daily newspaper published in English and principal language in district in which the registered office of the LLP is situated and circulating in that district, giving notice of change of registered office. In fourth step, file form 15. The form 15 has to be filed within 30 days from the obtaining the consent of all partners. This is to be noted that copy of form 15 along with the attachment shall also be filed for information to the registrar under whose jurisdiction the registered office is proposed to be shifted. Execution of supplementary agreement. Prepare a supplementary agreement of original LLP agreement to give effect of shifting of registered office on a stamp duty having as per Stamp Act of respective state. In sixth step, file form 3. The form 3 is required to be filed for information with regard to the limited liability partnership agreement. यानी आपको फॉर्म 3 फाइल करना है जिसके अंदर आपने जो भी ऑफिस का एड्रेस चेंज किया है फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट वो आपको यहाँ पे बताना है और इंटीमेट करना है आरओसी को रिगार्डिंग द चेंजिंग ऑफ द रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट. एंड न्यू रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस ऑफ LLP जो है वो इनकॉर्पोरेटेड होगा सारे स्टेशनरी आइटम को जैसे लेटर रेस पे, इनवॉइस पे, साइन बोर्ड पे, ऑल अदर प्लेस जहाँ पर ये नाम जो एड्रेस है पुराना आ रहा है. Where there is a conviction, ruling, order or judgment of any court, tribunal or other authority against the limited liability partnership, the particulars of such prosecution initiated against or show cause notice received by limited liability partnership for alleged offence under the LLP Act shall be stated in notice of change of place of registered office to be filed with the registrar. So there is some FAQ frequently asked question about the shifting of registered office from one state to another state of LLP. राइट तो कितना टाइम पीरियड लगता है सब जो फाइल करने में ऑफ द सप्लीमेंट्री डीड टू द फाइल्ड विद द MCA. तो सप्लीमेंट्री डीड जो भी फाइल की जाएगी 30 डेज फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ एक्टिव डेट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द एग्रीमेंट. व्हाट आर द लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड एज अटैचमेंट इन LLP फॉर्म 15. तो क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट आपको फॉर्म 15 में लगाने होंगे. लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट. फर्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट इज कंसेंट ऑफ पार्टनर्स और LLP एग्रीमेंट. In second document, proof of address of new office, any utility in name of owner not older than 2 months, rent agreement if new office has been taken on rent, duly signed no objection certificate from owner or landlord, copy of newspaper advertisement, consent of secured creditor. What are the consequences in case of non-compliance with the procedural requirement of the change of registered office of the LLP? If the LLP does not follow the legal procedural requirement of shifting of the registered office, then such LLP, every partner shall be liable to pay a penalty 500 for each day during which default continues subject to maximum rupees 550,000. Which form, whether form 3 or form 15 needs to be filed with the ROC or if we have to wait for approval of one of the form to file another. Both form 3 and 15 can be filed simultaneously through shoe to be uploaded separately such that different challenge shall be generated for both the forms, and however address on MCA portal gets update on approval of form 15. right? So there is a no fixed format in LLP Act for public notice to be advertised in newspapers. Then can we give the same in our own language? Yes, there is a no fixed format in given in LLP Act. However, it recommended draft the same in consonances with the format given for shifting of registered office of the company. यानी कंपनी LLP जो पब्लिक नोटिस देगी उसका कोई स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मेट LLP एक्ट में नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो कंपनी के केस में जो दिया हुआ है उसको आप फॉलो करके यहाँ पर जो है एडवर्टाइज कर सकते हैं. I hope this video is very helpful regarding to understand the process of shifting of registered office of LLP from one state to another state. If you have any single query regarding that, you can also contact on the number given on the screen. And if you have any query related to the income tax, GST, trademark, corporate compliances, import export, so you will also contact on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video.